Recently, hena maundu makoretwo magithi na mbere in the broad-based formation. Ndiraiguire ti broad-based government, it's a broad-based formation of government. Na ino ira comprise of ODM and UDA. Na ni formation yathondekirwo hindi iria after the June 25th demonstrations of 2024. And now fast forward, Secretary General wa kiama kia ODM Edwin Sifuna ni akoretwo akiyumiria recently na ukorwo agikomithia broad-based formation na njira imwe nene muno, and that was bringing the question of, is ODM still in the broad-based formation? Tondu tungikona munene kana Secretary General ucio niwe mwaria munene wa kiama akiuga akionania discomfort no horo ucio ni kuonania hena ciuria nyingi muno cigie the party leader and the whole party being in that broad-based formation. No horo no watumaga gukorwo na ciuria nyingi muno to a point that ntuonire baba mekuria Western in their meetings cia ODM makiuga ati murugamo ucio wa Sifuna ni murugamo wake wika na ti murugamo wa kiama. Kumekuwa na a lot of questions, a lot of speculations, a lot of things happening regarding the broad-based formation na regarding William Ruto thaici na presidency yake. Na after all that drama ntureketie gukorwo tukiona umuthi ni kuma na mucemanio munene muno wa kiama kia ODM. Na after the meeting tukorwo tukiona haria Secretary General Raila Odinga and other party officials makiumire na gukorwo makiuga ati bado me in that broad-based formation.
I see very respectable media houses here. We don't expect you to bring us rumors. Yeah, that is exactly what I feared, that you would bring stories about Sifuna when I've read a statement about ODM. We want you to ask questions about ODM. What is different? Now, the position of a party, as a party leader has ably explained before, is taken after organs or meetings of the organs of a party. And this is now the position of the party. Yes, that we will be making sure that we put together a team that can ensure that we implement the MOU that we signed with UDA. How is that different from Sifuna's position? Let's have another question, please. Let's not do mushene. Yes? Yeah. So that I don't put in my own words, allow me to read you the last paragraph again. I think we have addressed that, Leto. You should pay attention to these things. We have said that while members arrived here with different viewpoints on many issues within the party and the country, the committee has managed to broker an unbreakable unity of purpose in the party and a single-minded focus on ensuring that ODM continues to be a loyal servant of the people and the country, acting in the best interest of its supporters and the nation, and committed to the agenda of national transformation and stability. That is now the position of the party. Any other question? I think wamemaliza sasa maswali yote. Haya. Asante sana. Mungu awabariki.
Mogire ati nimeguthodeka a way of making sure that the 10-point agendas ni ciakorwo cigibuatirirwo to the latter, tondu kiu nikio giatumire gukorwo na that broad-based formation. Otherwise akoti uhoro ucio wa that 10-point agenda gutingire na thirikari ya muungano thaici. But there is this question, all that time Edwin Sifuna akoretwo akiaria, you mean he was under no one's instructions? You mean hatire mundu uramwiraga akorwo akiaria uguo? You mean as the Secretary General of ODM party aragia uguo atari na orders from anyone? You know, for such a formation like broad-based government ikorwo igithira, you can't expect to muthenya umwe tu Raila yumire na auge ati from now onwards we are not supporting this broad-based, we are not in this broad-based formation. It has to start from somewhere. Not ori other ishi thirikari irageria kunina free education gradually. It first beats you with the hardest shock. Ati kuma mothi utirekoragwo na free education, then andu maka complain makauga ati ni magotire na mbeca but we will give this amount, but mishaanza the process ya kunina free education the same way with Raila. And I think this is what he's doing. You can't just exit the broad-based formation, so you bring that shock ya kuga ona maundu maria twarireirie, what Edwin Sifuna has been saying over the weekend on this 10-point agenda, it is not being followed, KK, all that. Then now have a meeting where you merie muge ati nitwashira na tuona oh no na riu nituga bado twi thirikari ino ya muungano wa broad-based. Then next time you will hear something else. Building up. Dakika ya mwisho ugathitũkĩra ODM is no longer in government. Uhoro wa mani ati ODM ikoretwo consistent miaka 20. Why? Because nimakoretwo na presidential candidate na dakoretwo agishida. Because in Kenyan politics, it's the second longest serving party. Nikio kiama kiria yikarite muno. The first party is KANU. Nio yikarite muno, na of course you know why KANU yikarite muno, because ndio chama ya baba na mama. Na nikio kiama kiria kiari hinde ya one party state. Now ODM ihotete gwe sustain for all that time because of two reasons. The first reason is nimakoretwo na presidential candidate in all those elections. So hena that person uria uratuma aginya abuge mede kurugama na kiama kia ODM tondu hena baba haria. You get? The second reason ni ati ODM has been enjoying a good number of representation in National Assembly and Senate and politicians in general, MCAs, governors, kogo ina strength mwenene muno. Now, if they don't have a presidential candidate in 2027, whether ni agashida ka dagashida tondu na gotire presidential candidate wa ODM ona shida. If they don't have a presidential candidate in 2027, what is going to make aspirants? Niki yegotoma aspirants kana mundu uria ndagite MCA, MP, women rep, governor, senator ede kurugama na kiama kia ODM. Yet ni aramenya wega ati muthenya uria baba agoka kuu kwao ndakamwitiria kura ona akiagitagia ceke cia president. You know, that's what gives MPs and senators that uzito. The person you are running under, agikorwo wi wa UDA presidential candidate wa nyuniuriku. You get? Wahura mathafu macio mothe ni urona ODM is not going to be in the broad-based formation for long. Tondu no ginya methe their political line. Na maundu maya marajia uguo kahora. Maybe next time ukaigua John Badi akiaria uhoro wa treasury, how money is being misappropriated. Regi ukaigua maybe next utasikia Joho akiaria uhoro wa minerals na ki. Utasikia tu they are biting from inside. And gweshiria, from my point of view, ni ati this broad-based formation will not last for long, and this might be the last days. Na kama ningekuwa DJ Afro ningesema tuko nyakati za lala salama kwa hii broad-based formation, because clearly the breakup is here. Actually the next episode in Kasongo Diaries will be RUTO RAILA breakup. Anyway guys, masho no maoni mako. Ndio maoni mako megi horo. You can comment down there and tell us what you think about this story.